Hi guys, welcome back to Easy Chef. So today we'll be making this very tasty and cheesy red sauce macaroni. This is made using the pre-available sauce. The sauce is not made from scratch, and this is a very quick and easy recipe. It takes just about 10 to 15 minutes. So to start, we'll add 4 to 5 cups of water in a pan, and we'll keep the flame on high so that the water comes to a boil very quickly. We'll cover the pan with a lid so that the water comes to boil quicker. So when this water starts boiling, just remove the lid and add the macaroni. Here I've used 1 cup of macaroni, as you can see. We'll again put on the lid and let the water come to a boil again. So as you can see, the water has started boiling, so we'll remove the lid and quickly stir the pasta. Cook the pasta according to the instructions on the packet, because every brand's pasta takes a different time to cook. So after 6 to 8 minutes, you will notice that the pasta has almost doubled in size and has also changed color. You can just quickly take a bite of one of the pieces to see if the pasta is cooked or not. Next, we'll take up 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and add the capsicums and onions together. Here the flame is on medium high. So we'll just quickly saute the vegetables and cook them for around 2 minutes. We do not want to make them very soft. We want to retain the crunch in the vegetables. So here I've used the fun and fruits pasta and pizza sauce, and I also had a little bit of the Sam's pizza and pasta sauce. So I'm gonna add both of them because I had little quantities in both of the bottles. So yeah, after 2 minutes the onions and capsicums are quite cooked. So now I'm gonna add the Sam's pasta sauce, which was quite liquidy, as you can see, and I'll just quickly stir it into the capsicums and onions. Reduce the flame to a low medium at this point of time because we do not want to burn the sauce. And here I was trying to add the fun foods sauce, which was quite thick, so I was struggling a bit. So after adding both of them, I'm just gonna quickly stir it, and if you're skeptical about how much I added, I have added around 4 to 5 tablespoons of the pasta sauce. Depends on the quantity of pasta that you're taking. You can reduce or increase the quantity of the sauce. So after about 2 minutes, I'm going to add the shredded cheese. Just quickly mix it and turn up the flame to medium and give it a quick mix, and as you can see, the cheese has started melting and this will start looking like a sauce right here. In the entire recipe, I have not added any sauce because the pasta sauce contains salt already and the cheese also is salty. So now I'm just gonna add the boiled macaroni and mix everything together really well. Now I'm adding the pizza mix right here. If you do not have pizza mix, you can always add the oregano and chili flakes that we all save from pizza outlets. So yeah, then we'll just quickly give it a final mix and our macaroni is done. And do not turn the flame too high because a very high chance of burning the pasta sauce is there. So yep, just stir off the flame and the pasta is ready. So yeah, that was the very quick and easy recipe, and if you like the video, then do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such easy and quick recipes. And the link to all my social media is in the description box below, so make sure you check them out as well. See you next time. Bye.